Good morning. It is a beautiful day here in Asakusa, Tokyo, and it's 6:35. I woke up late. So I alarmed ng 5 a.m. No, I alarmed 4:30 para makaalis ako ng 5 sa hostel, but siguro sa sobrang pagod ko kahapon, I didn't I wasn't able to woke up early. And I'm hearing these alarms even sa mga katabi kong mga bunk beds, and they weren't waking up. So I guess talagang everyone is tired. Reason why I want to leave early is because yung pupuntahan ko now is 1 and 30 minutes away from here. I just missed the train by 1 minute. Hindi ako nakatakbo ng mabilis dahil sobrang bigat ng dinadala ko now. Pati yung tiyan ko. Adrenaline na ako, guys. So I'm on my way to the very famous location here in Kamakura, which is the opening scene dun sa Slam Dunk. And a lot of people are like going here for that photo. So, syempre, dahil cloud chaser tayo, bakit may pulis? Ate, what if tulak kita dyan? Charas. So while going to the Kamakura Kokomae Station, may nakita ko kanina na parang bazaar from the train. So parang, oh my gosh, sabi ko, I really wanna check kung anong meron doon. So parang bumaba nga ako dito sa Shinchuro Road Station. Buti na lang, bumaba ako kasi it is so beautiful here. It's like La Union, pero Japan version. It's a very gloomy weather here in Kamakura. Ang sarap paglakad lang dito ang tawag dyan? Hi. hirap namang isara. Charot. So guys, I just finished lunch. For me, that was like, it's a good lunch. I've never had that kind of crispy salmon na meal. It's like, parang in our version, parang kapag nagluluto yung nanay ko ng pritong bangus, ganun siya ka-crispy yung balat and ka-tender yung laman. And it's super good. Like, I like it. I love it. So right now, I'm just gonna visit one more cafe and then I will be going back to Shibuya or to Tokyo. This cafe is still closed and they're opening ng 1 p.m. It's Cafe Luonto. May mga signages dito na no taking photos. Parang nagtaka ako bakit no photos. Here like yan, meron siya nakalagay na no photos. Kasi nga naman, malapit kasi siya dun sa railway. Baka magkaroon ng accident or something. Kaya marami siguro nagpupunta dito to take photos. Like for example ito. Photo sila dyan on the side to take photos. Ganyan. Share my experience dun sa Cafe Luonto. 1 p.m. yung opening nung cafe. I went there like 12:30, so para I waited like 30 minutes. Yung owner, like yung matanda kasi yung owner, so parang he doesn't want us, even yung ibang taong nag-aantay, he doesn't want us to take photos and videos. So parang strange, right? In my conclusion, feeling ko, yung mga tao pumupunta lang in his cafe just because of the view. Kasi nga, dinadaanan siya ng tren. People go there to take photos, ganyan. Pasok ko, I was like looking at the menu sa taas kasi may signage sa taas. And then, the owner said na parang, I gave you the menu, you check the menu. And I was like, ako siguro like, di ko narinig or makulit lang ako. I was like, I keep on staring dun sa taas. And then parang medyo nagtaas yung boses niya na parang, use the menu, ganyan. Tapos parang feeling ko, napahiya ako kasi parang yung mga kasama ko na kumakain sa loob, they're like staring at me. I read the menu. Dun sa menu niya, meron siyang parang speech dun sa first page. The menu is like a laminated paper. Tapos you need to like, flip it lang. Then sabi niya doon, please respect yung paniniwala daw ng isa't isa. Like, please respect din daw yung privacy ng mga Japanese, ganyan. You're in Japan, sabi niya ganyan. You have to respect the people here. May nakasulat din doon na, you can take photos and videos naman. Pero, huwag lang kayo mag-photo na may nasasamang ibang customer kasi baka daw uncomfortable sa kanila. Ayaw din nila yung, syempre di ba minsan pag nagko-content, parang gusto mo may video ka sa labas at papasok. Ayaw niya yung palabas-labas kasi nga daw, it makes other customer uncomfortable, which is true naman. Gets ko naman yun. And then, ano pa ba? Basta, parang pagkain ko kanya, parang like super, nalimitahan ako. Pero, what I have realized and what I have learned is that, yun nga, respect talaga is so important. Yun yung rule ng cafe. So, you need to follow it na lang. Naman talaga siya sobrang strict. Medyo nung una parang, oh my gosh, grabe naman to si Manong. Ano mo yun, na-bad shot ako agad. Gusto ko lang naman magkape. But then again, I-realize din na hindi sa lahat ng cafe pwede mong gawin yung ganito. Na pwede ka mag-photo, pwede ka mag-take ng content, ng ganito, ganyan. Di ba usually kasi pag when you take content, parang nawawala yung essence. No? Siyempre, yung mga customer nga doon na gusto lang nila ng peaceful vibe. Ayaw niyang pasira yun. While I'm drinking my coffee and like, eating my cake or my pastry, hindi ako nagpa-phone. And then, yun, dun ko na-realize na ito yung sinasabi niya, na just be in the moment and just like, eat, ito lang, like, kain ka lang, ganyan. And then, habang yung dumadaan yung trend sa harapan mo, i-appreciate mo lang, ganyan. And then, after na nagbayad na ako, sabi niya, thank you for waiting, kasi nga nag-antay ako for 30 minutes. Tapos yun. Tapos parang bati na kami. Bati na kami. Sinabi ko lang na I appreciate your, I appreciate your coffee, I appreciate your food, ganyan. Arigatou gozaimasu. So yeah, I haven't had proper dinner. I'm planning na bibili na lang ako sa 7-Eleven para mabilis. 7 and I'm getting excited to the mommy. I need the noodles. I want the spicy ramen. No, kamahal naman pala nito. 236 yen na to. Super spicy ba to? Gusto ko yung super spicy. Soft boiled eggs. Ohaya. Ohaya gozaimasu.
黒がいいですか
Ay, di ako marunong.
You want
Ay, sorry. English. Sorry. Surut lang. What's that? Sorry.
袋ご利用ですか
Oh my
レジ
God.
袋いりますか You want plastic
Up!
bag?
Eme to. Hindi talaga ako marunong. Pasensya na. Sorry, forgive me. Nay, forgive me. Charot. Okay guys, got the goods. They're here. So yung situation, yung nangyari kanina dun sa 7-Eleven. Kasi since parang I've been to Japan like 3 times and di ba yung mga basic usually yung natututunan naman like arigato, like ohayo, or like yung mga greetings ba na basic. Sinabi ko is arigato gozaimasu. Parang na-adapt ko na yung pagka, di ba arigato gozaimasu lang. Like, parang inaartehan ko na. So akala siguro nung cashier ay fluent na ako sa Japanese. So kanausap niya ako. So parang, shit, I don't know what to respond. So, yun, nagtawanan na lang kami.